In this video, I'm going to show you an evergreen KDP low content niche that can make you profitable sales. It's not very difficult to create this type of interior. It will not take you a lot of time, but it can make you a lot of sales. Not crazy sales, but kind of steady sales for this niche. So the niche that I'm going to talk about is Notary Journal. So first of all, Notary Journal, what does that mean? So according to Google, a notary journal is a record of the notarial acts performed by a notary public. So it's for the justice and these kind of things, and it's more famous in the US in specific, more than in the UK or other countries. So as you can see, if you type in Amazon on the search bar Notary Journal, it will show you that it has 1000 results for Notary Journal. And as you can see, and if you scroll down, you can see that the rankings start from, for example, this one is 88,000, this one is 44,000, and this one is 37, and as low as 18,000, which is very, very nice. So this one is the lowest until now, and if you scroll down, you can see that here is, but it's not for KDP. So as you can see, the lowest one is 18,000, and we have so many books that are under 300,000 BSR, bestseller. So what that means that there are many people buying these kind of books. So it has a market. The competition is not crazy, only 1000, and you can dig down to a sub niche or mini niche in this kind of journals, because you can be specific in your book. So for example, be specific for a state from the United States, one of the 50 states, and so on, hopefully to get more sales. So if we go to the BSR sales calculator, and if we type 18,000, what was the ranking for that one? So 18,098, and we select book and calculate the sales. As you can see, the sales for this book is 227 sales per month, and for this book, as you can see, it's 6.99 and it's 8.5 inches by 11 inches. So most of these books are 8.5 by 11 inches and 120 pages. So the profit will be $1.9 per sale. So if we type in the calculator 1.9 times 227, it will get $431 per sales, and usually you will get more sales than the calculator show. So $400 for this easy book. It's quite good. I'm not telling you that you will get crazy sales for this niche, but it's easy to create, it's interior, and you will get kind of steady sales because it's an evergreen niche. And as you can see, if we go to Google Trends and type Notary Journal, you can see that over the last 15-17 years, or over the 10 years, it's quite steady and keep increasing. So this niche is not seasonal, it's evergreen niche. There is no specific time to create it. If you are watching this video in December, November, October, January, February, June, July, any month in the year, you can create it because it's not seasonal. And as you can see, it's more famous in the United States. So you can specify your book on some states from the United States. So now if we go here and choose one of the books to see how it look like from inside. So as you can see, let's choose this one, for example. The cover design is very basic, a black background with a text Notary Journal. So it's quite basic and nice. And the interior, as you can see, the first page is belonging and introduction, some notes, and then the actual interior. So as you can see, it's like table, notary record, some boxes with a text. Very simple. You can create it on Word, on Excel, on PowerPoint, on Affinity Designer, on Inkscape, Graphic Designer, any free or paid tool you can create, even on Canva for free. So it's very easy to create. It's just boxes or lines, rectangles that you can make with a text. So you can make it for free. You can spend maybe 1 hour to create it. So you will create this book, write this information, printed name and address, phone number, emails, and these kind of things. Then duplicate it here again, and then duplicate the whole page all over the book. So it's quite easy, relatively easy to create. And if you don't want to spend 1 hour, 2 hours to create this interior, you can invest your money if you don't want to invest your time and buy it from, for example, Creative Fabrica. So if you type Notary Journal KDP, as you can see, I got 148 results, and you can see that there is so many different Notary KDP interior. So if we go to, for example, this one, you can see how it looks like this. So quite interesting. And for Creative Fabrica, you can subscribe or you can purchase, have singular purchase, whatever you prefer. So just check here. So as you can see, it said here, Notary Journal KDP Interior. This Notary Journal record logbook include more than 200 records. So if we go here, you can see that this one, for example, is 200 records. And I think it's 8.5 by 11 inches. And it's fitted for KDP especially. So you can buy it from here. You can create it by yourself. You have the choice, invest your money or invest your time. So it's quite easy to create, and it can make you a couple of sales every single month because it's evergreen niche. So this is for today.